CSU campuses are now connected and material can be shared between all 23 libraries. So if you need a book and someone already has it checked out, or if our library doesn't own a copy, we can get it from another CSU. Let me show you how. Starting from the library's homepage, library.csun.edu, go ahead and type the title of the book and the last name of the author. Then select the search icon. Next, you will need to sign in order to request items using CSU+. Go ahead and locate the material on the results list. Remember to use the limiters on the left-hand side to help you narrow down your search. For example, resource type, books. Don't see the book listed? This indicates that the OVIAT doesn't have this book. Go ahead and expand your search to all CSU libraries. Once you locate the item you're looking for, select the title to view additional details. Now it's as easy as selecting Request from other CSU libraries, CSU+, and press the Request button. You can even see what CSU libraries have copies available by clicking Show Libraries. Now all the hard work for you is done. Our interlibrary loan team will take over, and you will be emailed when the book is ready. If the item is available, it should take 3 to 5 days, and you'll pick it up at Interlibrary Loan, located on the first floor in the Learning Commons. CSU Plus can be used for any lendable material such as books, DVDs, or CDs.